Reading Pioneers is proud to present My Trip to the Hospital by Mercer Mayer. We were playing soccer, and the score was tied. I ran and kicked the ball as hard as I could, but the goalie was in the way. Goal! Shouted Tiger. We won! Ow! I screamed. My leg hurt a lot, but I hardly cried at all. "Don't worry, little critter," said Dad. "You'll be okay," said Mom. An ambulance came. I was put on this skinny bed called a stretcher, and then I got carried off the field. The whole soccer team waved goodbye. Mom came with me in the ambulance. I held her hand because she looked a little scared. When we got to the hospital, I got to ride on the stretcher all the way inside. A nurse listened to my heart with this thing called a stethoscope. Then she let me try the stethoscope on Mom. "Wow! Mom, your heart is beating really fast," I said. The nurse gave me a big lollipop and told me I was very, very brave. The doctor came to examine my leg. "This may hurt a little," he said. It sure did. But I took a deep breath and counted backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then it was over. "You have a broken leg, little critter," he said. "Do you have the right tools to fix it?" I asked. The doctor nodded. Then he gave me a cool sticker that said "Little Champ," because he said I was a real champ. Next, I went to have special pictures taken called X-rays. The nurse took the pictures with this big machine that could have been on a spaceship. She said the X-rays showed all the bones in my leg. "You know, Super Critter has X-ray vision," I told the nurse. "That means he can see through stuff too, just like this machine." After that, it was time to get my cast. The doctor started wrapping bandages all around my leg. "I feel like a mummy," I said. A little while later, the nurse came to check my cast. She said I could go home soon, but first I had to learn how to use my crutches. My cast sure was heavy. It almost made me fall over. But I kept trying. Finally, I got it right. "Good job, little critter," said the nurse. "Now you can go home." Little sister and Dad picked us up. Everybody wanted to help me with my crutches, but I told them I could do it myself. I walked all the way to the front door, and I barely slipped once. Mom made spaghetti and meatballs, my favorite dinner in the whole world. And I got to eat it in front of the TV. I was sure happy to be home. At school, everyone said I was a hero. "We won the game, all because of you, little critter," said Tiger. Then all my friends signed my cast. By the time they were done, it looked like a rainbow. Thank you everyone for joining us today and reading along to the story, My Trip to the Hospital. This story was recommended by one of my students who had a similar experience when she broke her leg. Comment below your experiences going to the hospital. How did you feel? What happened? I'd love to hear your stories so we can share our experiences together. If you're new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date with all videos being uploaded by Reading Pioneers. If you like this video, don't forget you can click the like button to show your support as well. If you have any recommendations for future videos that you'd like to see on this channel, send me an email, contact@readingpioneers.com, with your suggestions, and who knows, maybe they'll be put up next week. Until the next video to be uploaded, here are a couple of other children's stories that you may enjoy reading while you wait. Well, unfortunately, that is all the time we have for today. So, until next time, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye-bye.